There is a huge need for licensed truck drivers, and PSC is delivering. The growing commercial vehicle driving program provides pivotal opportunities and a major impact for the industry. Truck drivers are in high demand, providing plenty of coveted opportunities.
My father was a truck driver, and my younger brother's a truck driver, so it was something I've been wanting to do for years.
I just figured I need to go ahead and branch out and do better for myself, and it's a career choice.
Most of our students, before they even obtain or test for the CDLs, usually have anywhere from 2 to 4 job offers.
Just like the industry, PSC's commercial vehicle driving program is booming. An impressive 12-acre facility in Milton that opened in 2022 is the catalyst for continuing growth.
When I first got here, we had 2 vehicles. We're averaging anywhere from 4 to 6 students per term. Now we're almost up to 9 power units. And the best part is we're able to turn out anywhere from 24 to 38 per class.
That's producing over 350 drivers per year, from a full 8-week college credit course to an 8-day certification program. The comprehensive training starts in the classroom and ends on the road with hands-on experience.
Even when I was in the service training for a CDL, they didn't have the same type of facility to test on. You know, they just stick you out there on the road and expect you to know what you're doing. Here, they actually get to take you from 0 to 100, so you get that full range of training.
That includes state-of-the-art simulators that are valuable tools and high on the wow factor.
They are really high class. I'm sure they're very expensive, and they are really nice. I guess it's got every little detail. It's just like a real semi. The simulators are great.
Inclement weather, from extreme fog to extreme snow to ice, we have that all available to them. So when they experience in the real life, that it's not a shock and they can be better prepared for it.
As for the real-life training, students regularly get behind the wheel in one of PSC's big rigs with an expert instructor to provide guidance on the facility's big track or out on the open road.
1,000% better, Corey. That was a beautiful left turn. I picked up.
They give us a lot of free range of how we want to learn, and if you take the time to apply it, you're going to get all the practice time you want, and you can get here early in practice. You know, they're going to give you all the pointers you need to get your CDL and be a good trucker.
I look at it as this is our future that's coming in, and if we can train them properly, then we don't have to worry so much about them when they go out into the real world.
As well as various CDLs, the facility also provides school bus and hazardous materials training. It's all delivering critical workforce-ready drivers and fulfilling dreams.
First and foremost, to get my foot in the door with a company and become an experienced driver. And then I can look at pursuing becoming an owner-operator, getting my own truck. To build my brand, to build my company, and to go as far as the sky let me go.
I feel very prepared after I leave this school. I'm actually having a test today, so today it will more than likely be my last day here. And I'm sad to say that because the people here, the facility here are great. I love it.
We've taken folks that have been absolutely homeless and now having a career. We've been taking folks that were happy with making $15 an hour, and now they're able to double and triple that in being a truck driver. That's a game changer. That's a life changer.